Hello. Welcome to my channel. Hope you are having a great day.
In this video I will show you how you can withdraw from Traffmonetizer once you reach the withdrawal limit. So, let's get started. Launch your browser and access the application dashboard. When your earnings hit the $10 withdrawal threshold, simply click on Request a Payout. Navigate to the Payments page, where you can track your past withdrawals. Then, simply click on Request a Payout once more to proceed. In case you haven't set a payout method or your previous one is no longer available, the system will guide you to your profile settings. Just click on Go to Profile Settings to ensure smooth transactions. Choose your preferred payment system by clicking the drop-down arrow under Payment Systems. Select from the drop-down menu and you will be presented with the current payment options as seen here. These can change in the future. Like in my case, I had previously withdrawn using PayPal, which is no longer available. Choose your preferred option and provide details for your payment wallet or email. Then, simply click on the Save. Expect an email to confirm the addition or modification of your payment option. Stay tuned to your inbox for a hassle-free confirmation process. Head over to your email and confirm the changes by clicking Confirm Changes. You will then be redirected back to the Settings page. Return to the Payments page effortlessly by selecting the Payments tab on the left side. Next, hit Request a Payout. And that is it. Your earnings will smoothly process to your chosen payment method. Easy as pie. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope it helps. Ensure you hit the subscribe button for more valuable content. Explore additional passive income insights on my website. Links are conveniently located in the description below. Happy earning, my friend.